Hello friends, welcome back to the last section of the topic vector. If you have not seen all the previous videos, I request please go through all those videos because we have covered each and every concept in detail. We have solved all the exercises, all the questions from those exercises in detail. Okay, so with this we will start the today's session. That is a miscellaneous exercise 5A. We have two exercises here, 5A and 5B. We will see all the questions from these two miscellaneous exercises. Okay, so let's start with first question. So the question number 1 says like this. So we have two parts here. Question number 1 with two parts. Show that the following points are collinear. Show that the following points are collinear. Okay, so I request all of you, please just don't look at these videos. You practice on your own. You take this question. Whenever I post a question, you take this, you pause the video, you try out on your own, and after that you resume the video and you just see the answer. Just verify your answer and the approach. If it is matching, that's great. If not, then we require some more practice. Okay, so please follow the same strategy for each and every question. Okay, so the first question is like this. The points are what? A in bracket 2 comma 1 comma 1, B in bracket we have 0 minus 1 4, C in bracket we have 4 3 and minus 2. We have to show that these points are collinear, and you know that in the exercise 5.1 or the very first section we have seen when the vectors are collinear, if we can express the vectors in the scalar multiple. Okay, so let's find out the AB bar here. So AB bar is equals to B bar minus A bar, which is nothing but 0 minus 2 is minus 2i, minus 1 minus 1 minus 2j, and 4 minus 1 is plus 3k. ये B bar हो गया. Now find out the AC bar, which is nothing but 4 minus 2 is 2i, 3 minus 1 is plus 2j, and minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3k. Okay, now what is the scalar multiple we have here? So if I multiply this AB with minus sign, if I multiply with this minus sign, what I will get? So minus of minus 2i minus 2j plus 3k, which is nothing but minus of AB bar, which is nothing but 2i plus 2j and minus 3k. And if you see here, these two vectors are same. Means what? AC bar is equals to minus of AB bar. So here the AC bar and AB bar are the scalar multiple of each other. Therefore, I can say that these points A, B, C are the collinear points. Okay, good. Next question. Second question. The points are like this. So this is the second part of the first question. P in bracket 5 comma 6 comma minus 2, 5 minus 6 minus 2, Q in bracket 1 to 4, 1 comma 2 comma 4, and R in bracket 3 minus 2 1, 3 minus 2 1. Okay, so let's have the same procedure here. Find out the PQ bar, which is equals to Q bar minus P bar, which is equals to 1 minus 5 is minus 4i, 2 minus minus plus 6 8j, 4 plus 2 is 6k. PR bar is equals to R bar minus P bar, which is equals to, what we have is R bar minus P bar is minus 3 minus 5 is minus 2i, minus 2 plus 6 is plus 4j, and 1 minus minus plus 2 is 3k. Okay, now I want to find out the scalar multiple. So just by observation, if I multiply by the PR bar by 2, I will get minus 4i plus 8j plus 6k, and this is nothing but the PQ bar. So what you can write down here is, this is a PQ bar. So PQ bar is equals to 2 times of PR bar. This is nothing but the scalar multiple of two vectors. Therefore, the P, Q and R are the collinear points. You can show this collinearity with the help of this concept also, that is the, if I take PQ bar cross PR bar and if I take its modulus, it should be equals to 0. Then I say these are the collinear vectors, and if it is not equals to 0, then a non-collinear vectors. Okay, you can go in any way. Next question, question number 2. If the points A 1 minus 2 2, B 3 1 1 and C minus 1 P3 are collinear, then find the value of P. Then find the value of P. Okay, collinear, they are telling these 3 points are collinear. So what you can use? You can use the scalar multiplicity concept here. So let's find out the AB bar. AB bar is equals to B bar minus A bar, which is nothing but 3 minus 1 is 2i, 1 minus plus 3j, and 1 minus 2 is minus k. AC bar is equals to C bar minus A bar, which is nothing but minus 1 minus 2i. Then we have P plus 2j, and lastly we have 3 minus 2 is plus k. Okay, so they are saying there is a scalar multiplicity, means what? The I, j, k coefficient should be in same scalar multiple. Okay, so we have, let's find out this AB bar is equals to some k times into AC bar. Okay, so let's find out the value of k here. So it is 2i plus 3j minus k, it is equals to minus 2ki plus p in plus 2kj plus, okay, so instead of k we will take some different, because this k is getting confused with this k unit vector. So let's take m. So let me erase this k here, this k here, and this k here. So we'll have m, and this is m into k. Okay, so two vectors are equal, then their I, j, k coefficient should also be equal. So we have here 2 is equals to minus 2m. So 2 is equals to minus 2m. So m kitna gaya? M is nothing but minus 1. Okay, so for m is equals to minus 1, let's use these two and find the value of m. So 3 is equals to p plus 2m. So m is equals to minus 1. So we'll have p plus 2 minus 1. So it is 3. So it is 3 is equals to minus p minus 2. So this 2 goes here this side. So we'll have p is equals to minus 5, implies p is equals to minus 5. Okay, so what is your answer is? P is equals to minus 5 is the answer. For this value of p, your 3 points are collinear points. Great. Let's see the next one now. So I hope you are following the same procedure. Pause the video, try on your own, and let's verify. So question number 3 says like this: if A bar is equals to 7i minus 7i minus j plus 2k, B bar is equals to I plus 3j minus k, and C bar is equals to 4i plus 5k, then find A bar dot B bar cross C bar. Now what is this? अभी तो भाई हम लोगों को समझ में आना चाहिए कि क्या पूछा है. What is this? This is nothing but the box product of A bar, B bar, C bar. Okay, I hope you remember scalar triple product. Okay, so it is given by A bar, B bar, C bar denoted by, and it is equals to A bar dot B bar cross C bar, and it is given by determinant of A vector 7 minus 1 2, B vector 1 3 minus 1, C vector is 4 0 and 5. Okay, so this is equals to 7 into 15 minus plus 1 into 5 plus 4, then plus 2 into we have 0 minus 12. So this is equals to 105 plus 9 minus 24, and this is equals to 105 minus 24, it will be equals to 90. So it is 4, 9, 5, 14 minus 4 is, yes, it is equals to 90. Okay, so what is the value of this? Box product is equals to 90. It is a scalar quantity, that's why it is called as a scalar triple product. Great. Okay, so let's see the next one now. Question number 4. Question number 4 is like this. Show that the 4 points are coplanar. Show that the 4 points are coplanar. Okay, so the points are like this: A in bracket minus 6 comma 3 comma 2, B in bracket 3 minus 2 4, C in bracket it is 5 7 3, and D in bracket it's a minus 13 minus 17, sorry, it's a plus 17, and finally it's a minus 1. Show that the 4 points are coplanar. So these are the 4 points A, B, C and D. These are the 4 points. We have to show that these are the coplanar points. So it's a minus 6 3 2, it is 3 minus 2 4, 5 7 3, and minus 13 17 and minus 1. Okay, so how to proceed? Coplanar means what? I have given the condition already. There should be one vector which should be the linear combination of other two vectors. Is this okay? Okay. Means, in other words, can I say the cross product of these three vectors, that is the AB bar cross AD bar cross AC bar, it is equals to 0. Can I do like that? Yes, perfect. So you can go in any way. Okay, so let's approach first to find out the AB bar. So AB bar is equals to B bar minus A bar. So this is equals to B minus A is 3 minus minus plus 6 is 9I, minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5J, and 4 minus 2 is plus 2K. AB bar. Find out AC bar. AC bar is equals to C bar minus A bar, which is equals to 5 minus minus plus it is 11I, 7 minus 3 is plus 4J, then 3 minus 2 is nothing but plus K. AB bar AC bar हो गया. Now AD bar is equals to, it is D bar minus A bar, so which is equals to D bar is minus 13 and minus minus plus 6, this will be minus 7I, then 17 minus 3 is plus 14J, and we have minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3K. Okay, so we have three vectors, and you know that during the scalar triple product we have studied that if the box product of any three vectors AB bar, AC bar and AD bar, if it is equals to 0, then we say the vectors are coplanar vectors. Vectors are coplanar vectors. Okay, so you can find out in any way. You can use the this method also. AD bar is equals to, you can prove that M into AB bar plus N into AC bar, and find the value of M and N. This is the first approach, and this is the second approach. Okay, so this approach we have already covered in previous exercises. Now let's see this box product approach. Now the box product is equals to, it is, let's find out this determinant. So it is 9 minus 5 plus 2, it is 11 4 and 1, then we have minus 7 14, and it's a minus 3, which is equals to 9 into minus 12 minus 14 plus 5 into minus 33 plus 7, and we have lastly plus 2 into bracket 154 plus 28. Okay, so this is equals to 9 into minus 26 plus 5 into, ये कितना आ गया भाई, ये 7 और ये 4 चले गए, so minus 26, and here we have 2 into, we have 12 2, then here 6 7 8 and 1. ओके. सो दिस इज इक्वल्स टू 54 4 5 18 आणि हे 5 23 मायनस 30 and it's 3 13 130 and we have plus of 4 and 6 and 3. Okay, so is this the same answer we are getting here? So this is equals to 4. so इन दोनों का एडिशन किया तो आप कितना आ रहा है 4 6 and minus of 3, so plus 364. so this is equals to 0. Means what? You are getting the scalar triple product of these three vectors above three vectors is equals to 0. That means the given vectors are the coplanar. Vectors coplanar है तो obviously the points भी coplanar होने वाले. Okay, very good. So in this way you can prove that the given points or the vectors are coplanar vectors. Two methods, one is the scalar linear combination method and one other is the scalar triple product method. Okay, good. Let's see the next one, the last question for this video. So what we'll do, we'll keep the videos short. We'll try to have a few questions in a single video. So question number 5 goes like this: the position vectors of the point, the position vectors of the points A and B are, okay, 2i minus j plus 5k, 2i minus j plus 5k and minus 3i plus 2k, sorry, minus 3i plus j, 2j, it's 2j, okay, minus 3i plus 2j respectively. Okay, तो क्या करना है आपका, find the position vector of a point, find position vector of a point which divides the segment AB, which divides the segment AB internally in the ratio, internally in ratio 1:4. Okay, you can expect this type of questions in your exam. Okay, so I want to find out the position vector of a point which divides the segment AB in the ratio 1:4. so this is 1 and this is 4, and let's suppose this point is M, and we have already seen that how to find out the internal point coordinates. So using the internal section formula, it is M bar is equals to, so let's name it some different thing. So it may be a P bar, so it is a P point, so that it will not be confused with our formula. So it is a P is equals to, what we have is opposite में M into B, that is the MB bar plus NA bar upon M plus N. Okay, so let's have, what is the value of M is 1, so 1 into B bar is, it is minus 3i plus 2j, and plus what is N is 4 into 2i minus j plus 5k whole divided by 1 plus 4 is 5. So if I open the brackets, what I'll get, it is a minus 3i plus 2j and it is a plus 8i minus 4j plus 20k whole divided by कितना है बस 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, now let's have minus 3 plus 8, it is plus 5i, then we have 2 minus 4 is minus 2j, then we have plus 20k whole divided by 5. Okay, so this is what the position vector of point P. They are asking for the coordinate of point P. So what are these coordinates? These are the coefficients of I, J, K. So it is 5 by 5, it is minus 2 by 5, and finally we have 20 by 5. So this is equivalent to 5 by 5 is 1, minus 2 by 5, and it's a 4. Is this okay? So this is what the coordinates of the point P we are having. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video and you have understood all the questions. Thank you. We will continue in the next class. Thank you.